once again. My name is Fiona. Today I will have a project again, and today my project will be about testing with my tongue. I always ask my students, what do you test with? The answer is I test with my tongue. So I created a dog. Today we will use the dog animal. These are different colors of dogs. We have this gray one, we have green, we have a white dog, and we have another dark green dog color. Each will have a different color. How I did this, I drew the dog here with a pencil and then cut with the scissors to create the dog fashion style. And then the straws will be used to create the tongue. And I already came up with this. These are the tongues, and they are pink in color. So I'll just need like one and roll it like this. Okay, then place it on a straw like this to create a tongue. Then later the kid need to place this pen just right behind here in this shape to say the dog tests with its tongue, and you can play with it like love. Hi friends, please subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you.